Day one of the Spokane Ag Show, probably talked to about 300 different people. A lot of people needing service, potential customers coming in and buying the T40 and the T50. And first Ag Show of the year, just knocking off the cobwebs. Day one went great. Excited for day two. Day two was even better than day one. There was so many people that showed up for day two. The Spokane Ag Show was just an absolute hit. We didn't sell any T40s today, but we got a lot of potential customers, a lot of people visiting the website, probably talked to another couple hundred people at least, and even more people needing the service around the Spokane area. So day two, it's in the books. Great day. Day three, 1 and 2 was a killer. We were glad that it slowed down a little bit. So day three, still a great show. Shout out to Spokane Ag Show for putting on such a great event. And we hit the beer garden towards the end of the show, had a couple beers, and I enjoyed some live music. So again, shout out to the Spokane Ag Show for putting on such a great event. We'll see you next year.